today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today, I told you we're going to be starting a new module inside of our course. It's the Titanium Board Favorites Introduction. Now, this is going to be a read-only module inside of the course. The next few modules are going to be read-only because we ran into major complications where we couldn't get the dependencies to work at all. We tried everything. For some reason, I think it's just an equipment issue, but we need to update our equipment to actually have access to the things we need. But for the next few modules, it's going to be read along only. We won't be actually running any examples. So yeah, once we get out of this module, we should get back to building and running examples that we can actually get our hands on. But for now, it's read only. So read along with me. So in this section, we'll go over the process of creating a project using McKesson. Now that we have access to McKesson or we have McKesson installed, we can create a new project. In the last section, we used the UV init tool to start our folder structure. And now we will use the mox init command to create a new project. This command is a built-in tool that sets up the initial folder structure and files needed for a McKesson project. This command will create a new directory with the specified project name and generate the necessary files and folders. We will not be running this command alone. The entire command we want to run to initialize our project will look like this. It will say mox init, VS Code, PyPro, or PyProject. Now this command will give us all the files and folders we need to begin creating our McKesson project. We will do a brief walkthrough of what the files do. And these are the files that were initialized. So I'm not going to actually read what they do. I'll just read the name and pan over them slowly so you can see what they do if you want to read them yourselves. We have the settings.json. We have the lib. We have the script. Let me move down for you. Then we have the src. And we have the test. So we're going to leave it there for now. Like I said, this is just the introduction. We're just getting our feet wet and getting started with this new module here. So yeah, I'll leave it there for now. Tomorrow we'll pick back up with some light reading. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.